How much water have you? How much milk do you drink in the evening? How much time do you waste daily? How much money do you have? How much knowledge do you have? How much experience do you have? How much oil is in the can? How much curd is in the bowl? How much time do you have? How much air is in the tire? How much cola is in the bottle? How much gas is in the cylinder? How much color is in the can? How much butter is in the pouch? How much juice is in the glass? How much ice is in the freezer? How much tea is in the cup? How much syrup is in the bottle? How much space do you need? How much salt is in the ocean? Thank you.